guys, these lashes are like living. Come at me. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for being here, and remember, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and thumb up my videos. Today's video, I am going to be doing a makeup look. My YouTube is about makeup, so I'm going to be doing a makeup look. Duh. I am going to be doing a glitter cut crease. I am going to do a full cut crease. I'm not going to do a half cut crease. I'm going to do a full cut crease. Still don't know what colors I'm going to do. Still don't know what color of glitter I'm going to do. But we can figure it out along the way. You guys know the process. My eyebrows are ready. My eyes are prepped and ready to go as well. I am going to zoom in so you guys can see how the process works. And I'm only going to do one eye on camera. I'm probably not even going to do the other one because I have more videos to do, because you guys know I just started working and I have no time, so that's why I have not been uploading to YouTube. I do apologize for that. And I'm just going to have to do 2 videos in one, so I'm just going to do one eye, and then the other eye you guys are going to see the other video maybe along the weekend, because I'm not going to be in LA during the weekend. So I hope you guys enjoy, and if you guys do, go ahead and thumb up my video and subscribe once more. Remember to follow me on Instagram. I'll put it right here. And if you guys don't bother to even look down here, go ahead and look for me. I will link my Instagram, my Twitter, my Facebook down in the description box. With that said, let's go ahead and get started. By the way, you guys, if you guys haven't checked out how I did an eye look following an Instagram tutorial, seeing if it actually works and helps you create a look, go ahead and check it out. I will link it down below as well. So since we're going to do a cut crease, a full-on cut crease, we're going to go ahead and add tape to our eyelids because that seems to work better. So we're just going to do that, okay? Okay, guys, so we have our tape. We're going to go ahead and go in with our Morphe 35B palette. Not sure if you guys can see it. I am so sorry if you guys can't, but we're gonna go ahead and go in with a pink transition shade, which would be this pink one right here. So we're gonna go ahead and take this around our crease. We're gonna go ahead and take this really bright hot pink that we see right here. Okay, once we have that, we're gonna go ahead and add like a red or burgundy. I went ahead and added this red from the 35B palette, and we're gonna go ahead and apply it right where we added the other colors. After we are done with that, we're gonna go ahead and take a burgundy. There was no burgundy in the Morphe 35B palette, so we're gonna go ahead and jump into the Jaclyn Hill x Morphe palette and use this shade right here. You're gonna add that right on the outer V, going upwards towards your crease. Go ahead and grab a clean blending brush, and we're gonna add light pink right above where our red is. And you guys, if the look doesn't come exactly like I'm doing it to you guys, keep in mind we do have different eye shapes, so not every look is gonna look exactly like someone else does it. So don't be so negative on yourself, because I know I was negative on myself until I started taking cosmetology classes, and I realized that all of our looks are not gonna look the same on each other, because we're trying to do it exactly like the person is doing it, and truth is our eye shape is totally different than that person's. Just to darken it up a little and try to blend it up upwards just so it could look diffused. Now that it looks all bloody, we're gonna go ahead and add our concealer. guys, once you guys have your cut crease, you can go ahead and clean it out because it is going to look a little messy. And after you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and add the glue for your glitter. Go ahead and take another flat brush, not the one that you used for your glue. Dip into the glitter, and we're just going to add this white glitter. Have that, you're gonna go ahead and take a clean brush and clean off all the extra glue that you have going on. Okay, you can go ahead and remove your tape. You guys can go ahead and add eyeliner if you guys want. I don't want it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add my lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys? Okay, guys, that is the eye look. Of course, you ended with adding highlight to your eyebrow bone, and that is about it, you guys. How do you guys like it? I actually love it. I have never tried like this color before, but I am in love. How are you guys feeling these lashes? I got these from Lisa Lashes. I'm gonna link her down below, and you could use my code CG15 to get 15% off your purchase. They're only $10, so I would really recommend. These are in the style List, so I will link everything below, you guys, and I hope you guys liked it. I'm sorry I'm not showing the rest of my face. I just have one eye done, like I was telling you guys in the beginning. So I hope you guys liked it. Go check out my Instagram. I will leave it down in the description below. Go ahead and like this picture on my Instagram. It will be up today as well. So go ahead and do that, and I will see you guys next time. You guys remember to subscribe. Remember to like my videos and comment down anything you guys want me to do or anything you guys want to see. Let me know. And thank you guys very much. I will see you guys next time. Do you guys see that? Wow, that highlight is popping.